This video speaks to building chilled water cooling tower maintenance. Suggested procedures. Monthly. Perform water treatment analysis of system water for an open system. Treat as needed to ensure proper water chemistry. Quarterly. Perform water treatment analysis of system water for a closed system. Treat as needed to ensure proper water chemistry. Check water system UV lamp. Clean or replace as needed to ensure operation. Inspect blowdown or drain valves. Clear all debris to ensure proper operation. Repair or replace if necessary. Check chemical injector device. Clean as needed. Check cooling tower fan drive. For excessive wear, proper bearing seating, proper alignment. Just repair or replace as necessary to ensure proper operation. Inspect sump and strainer. Clean as needed. Semi-annual maintenance. Check control system and devices for evidence of improper operation. Repair, adjust, or replace components to ensure proper operation. Check variable frequency drive for proper operation. Correct as needed. Visually inspect pumps and associated electrical components. Repair or replace as needed to ensure proper operation. Annual maintenance suggested. Check control box for dirt, debris, and/or loose terminations. Clean and tighten as needed. Check motor contactor for pitting or other signs of damage. Repair or replace as needed. Check fan blades. Clean, repair, or replace as needed to ensure proper operation. Check for fouling, corrosion, or degradation. Clean or repair as needed. Lubricate field serviceable bearings. Check for evidence of buildup or fouling on wet decks. Fill and exterior louvers. Clean as needed to ensure proper operation. Check for proper damper operation. Repair, replace, or adjust as needed. Check for proper fluid flow. Clean and adjust and repair as necessary to restore proper flow. Check for dirt and debris. Clean as needed. Check cooling tower, motor, and pump for proper operation. Repair or replace as needed to ensure proper operation. Check nozzles. Clean them as needed. Visually, you will be able to see if they're dirty or not. If dirty, clean. Thank you very much. Bye.